Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the safest nectar, 4 cups water to 1 cup white sugar. Once you measure, bring water to a boil to remove impurities, then stir in sugar until fully dissolved. Make sure to avoid honey or dyes because they harm birds. After the syrup cools to room temperature, pour it into a sterilized jar with a tight lid. You are now ready to prepare the feeder body and cap. Keep the mixture covered and refrigerated if not using immediately. Now assemble the feeder. You will convert a glass or BPA-free plastic bottle into a feeder by creating 3-4 small feeding holes near the base. These should be just large enough for hummingbird bills. Once drilled, attach a saucer or add small perches under each hole to give birds stability. Before filling, strain the cooled syrup through a fine mesh to remove crystallized particles. Fill the feeder leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Then secure the cap tightly and hang your feeder 4 to 6 feet off the ground in partial shade to slow fermentation and keep birds comfortable. Make sure it is about 3 meters from windows to reduce collision risk. Monitor daily. In warm weather, change nectar every 3 to 4 days and weekly when cooler. If you see cloudiness, bubbles, foam, or ants, empty and wash the feeder with hot water and a little vinegar. Rinse well, then refill with fresh syrup. If issues persist, move the feeder to a shadier spot.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.